Hell to all.
If you cannot defeat me, how do you plan to defeat the supernatural forces that feed and prey on mankind? Again!
Do you not feel pain?
I feel it, all right. Just as I feel yours. Pain is a merciful teacher. I had hoped that you three more than anyone would have learned to embrace it by now. Orphans carry the burden of pain with them, always. Finding a new family only alleviates it. Look at you now. That pain has made you strong. Proud soldiers of the Republic, purifiers hunting witchcraft wherever it hides. The children of Hemlock. My children.
With all due respect, what are we doing here? The Brotherhood of Dawn attacked one of our keeps 2 weeks ago, and we still haven't moved against them. Our way commands that we retaliate.
Sister!
Our way? Our way commands that we follow the Senate's orders.
What if they ask us to stand down?
They won't. Arrangements have been made.
Arrangements?
Grand Inquisitor!
At ease.
The Senate voted for your retaliation campaign. They're sending the Purifiers to march on the Brotherhood of Dawn.
Good. Operation Dawnbane now begins. Prepare my legion. I'll lead it myself.
Shields up!
Shields up! Shields up!
Permission to deal with the flayers.
The clock ticks, Malis. We need to get through to engage the Brotherhood of Dawn before daybreak.
We won't make it in time if we're pinned down.
Take my children, silence the archers. The rest will march on.
Grand Inquisitor, purity and sacrifice. Siege ladder, now!
You alive! Oh! You hear that? I gotcha!
Soldier?
Hello? Hello?
Who's alone?
Hello?
He's in shock. Leave him.
Hello?
Shut up.
Hello?
Who's alone?
Hello?
Shut up!
We don't have time for this. Let's move!
Hello? 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 I'm not alone! I'm not alone!
You're gonna owe me big time.
I praise your resilience, mortal. You will make a fine host.
Val, it's now or never.
Now come to me. Come to me and be reborn in service of the Sleeper.
Purifiers only serve mankind, D. I can't. He's too strong. Val, I need you now.
Be at peace. For soon you shall be no more. Only human after all. Disappointing.
You owe me an explanation. Let's go, let's go!
I'm not quite dead yet.
What happened back there? I feel different. How is it that I can use witchcraft now? None of this makes sense. They must have pulled me out of the water. But what of Val? Did she drown?
Valeria! Val!
If anyone from the Republic saw me transform, I better hope not.
You look awfully real for a nightmare. What was that? She's possessed by a demon? Yes. Let's hope you're wrong. Otherwise...
Talking to yourself again?
Speak of the devil. Darling, I need a moment. Talk to you later.
Whoa! Easy now. Val, snap out of it. It's me, damn it.
Horseshit!
Did you knock your head? Who do you expect me to be, exactly?
Oh, I don't know. Some bloody demon.
What? No, look! I have no idea what's going on. I was having my ass kicked when something awakened from within to save me. I need help, all right? But I'm not some demon, goddammit. Come on, Val!
Oh, really? Prove it.
You're such a tool.
That does not seem like something a demon would say. All right. Point taken. So, what now?
Frankly, I don't know. We should regroup with Operation Dawnbane, shouldn't we?
In your state? Flinging magic and turning into a monstrosity? No. They'll burn you alive.
Hemlock wouldn't.
Perhaps. But Mayless sure as hell will, and with a smile on her face. Look, let's get out of here first, then we'll figure something out. A winged sprayer. They do come in every shape, don't they?
Oh, mutations. This place reeks of death.
These people are getting torn apart. I don't get it. Sprayer aren't normally this bold, not without good reason.
That soul demon first, now this. There's something wrong around here. Something very wrong.
We shouldn't be too far from the city-state of Stormfall.
We must pull back! We're too exposed!
If we do, civilians will get slaughtered.
Better them than... Let us in! We beg you! Mercy! Murderers! Back away! Back away!
I know that face. You've got a plan. All right, let's hear it.
You need answers, and I don't think Mayless will get you anything more than a rope around your neck. So, here's my plan. You wait for me in Stormfall. Easy enough, yes? Meanwhile, I meet up with our forces and I try to talk to Edric about the situation. To see how we can convince our people that you're not a bloody demon.
Agreed. I would rather appreciate not being executed. So, where do we meet?
On the way here, I heard talk of an inn in Stormfall, the Laughing Seagull. I'll meet you there. Keep a low profile till then.
Why don't you let people in?
For the 100th time, this city is already filled to capacity with refugees. We are not letting anyone in.
Look, I really need to have access. Let me through.
That's not how things work, friend. Only conscripts are allowed through. order of the merchant Prince Damascus himself.
So you want fighters? I will fight. I'll stand aside.
You are serious, my friend. Well, all right then. Go through to the farmlands and the other...
Stormfall, Jewel of the Sea. Let's see what you've got for me.
Ah, new blood. Get to Mahadi's shop.
I am not a hero, you hear?
See that?
I'll have to fight for Stormfall if I'm to stay within the city walls.
Hi. Please don't touch anything.
Conscript, report to Thunderblade Farad at the battlefront.
Looks like a stray. You all alone? You are. You could tag along. Well then, if you're...
You are all that stands between the Greens and your families. So stop sobbing. Get ready for hacking. Make every blow count.
But we're not even trained. How are we supposed to kill them?
You use the sharp edge. Ugh, civilians. Another new conscript, huh?
I've been on battlefields before.
A soldier, huh?
I'm listening.
The Sfrir have penetrated 2 of the 3 defenses we built to stop them. Our last working Radiant turret on this side of Stonefall is in, but his orders are to hold his ground up. The storm be with you. Don't look back. Hey, Ben.
Be vigilant! Hold position!
Gods are as scared as we are! We won't see the sunrise
Oi,
tomorrow!
come back here. You're gonna get yourself killed.
Ah, that must be Sandor's barricade.
Please don't tell me you are the reinforced.
Maybe.
He is inside.
Greens!
I'm going in.
What? Wait!
You wanted reinforced?
Come on, men! Let's earn our keep! Time to show those Greens the color of the storm! Warm her up! I want to hear her sing! Now!
Squad 2, to the west! Squad 3, in position!
Here they come! Knock! Draw! Loose! It's not enough! Unleash the storm now! To hell with it! Fire at will! Give them everything you've got! Stand as one for Stormfall! To the north! Push them back into the ground! Squad 1, take the south! Squad 2 to the west! Show them the might of the storm! We'll live through this! Take cover! Stand your ground! Don't let them get to the cannon!
Who the hell are you, soldier?
Just a messenger.
Some
But the reinforcements are coming. Soon.
impeccable timing.
There's more. Your orders are to stand your ground at any cost until they arrive.
Are you serious? My men's morale is hanging by a thread. Those buffoons are sentencing us to death for no reason.
You won't have to.
Oh yes, and why is that?
I'm taking the fight to them.
Don't be ridiculous.
Watch me.
Come back here, you fool! They have a giant burning one leading them! It will fry you alive!
I'm not letting your men die, Sandor. A giant burn. That explains a lot. I must find it and stop it.
that a Drake?
Doesn't look like a bandit. Don't worry, safe to approach. Just don't make any sudden moves.
And who are you exactly?
Name's Ilfane. I'm out here hunting a Severier. It scorched a gang of slavers to a crisp near Archeon. Been sent to kill it.
Archeon? The flying city? You're a long way from home. The nearest anchor isn't exactly close.
Believe me, I didn't want to make the trip. I was glad the bastard slavers died. Order knows it as well. Sending me out here is a funny joke they're telling each other.
You're a part of this order, I assume?
That's right. The order of... Speaking of which, in any case, wouldn't say no to another pair of...
Is why I'm here.
Yes, that's settled then.
Agreed. Let's...
Not again. It's getting closer to the city. What the hell is going on?
We've got more than Severier to worry about by the looks of it. Must have been what Eldor was so spooked about. Not much scares it.
The entrance to their network. Sneaky bastards. So many eggs. These are not random raids. They're here to colonize.
Let's get to work then. More lives at stake than I thought.
You mentioned the Order of Ashara earlier. I've never heard of them.
Not surprised. Order tends to keep to themselves. Wouldn't want me educating you either. They have their reasons. Not good ones, though.
So what can you tell me?
Well, that Ashara is a dragon. A matriarch, to be exact. We're her protectors in return for her guidance. That's how it's supposed to be, but we don't let that hold us back. Ooh, no. We got a much broader range of activities we like to partake in. Let's see. We got resolving petty disputes, pushing for certain policy decisions, and, oh, best of all, making sure slavers know how valued and respected they are.
Ooh, I'm sensing a little bitterness here.
At least a little, but whatever, I've said enough. Let's remember why we're here.
I need a breather. I need a breather. Making the Severier act up. There's nothing random about this. Its frequency is accelerating.
Should hurry. Looks like you've got greater problems than the Severier.
My endurance is waning. So that's where the giant is. His challengers got fried alive. Okay, that one is scary.
I've been waiting for this.
And now! Damn, I wish Val had heard that one.
Glad that's over. Should be the end of our Svaria problem, though. That's not all that's bothering you, is it? That phenomenon got you worried?
That for one, but I also worry for my family. Fate has pulled us...
Sorry to hear that.
No, sorry. Yeah.
Now?
They...
well... If you...
Look who's here.
Glad I could help.
What? Nonsense. Everyone is talking about the hero who stopped the sphere, including the merchant prince himself. He actually wants to reward you in person.
I'm not sure it's a good idea. I would rather keep away from honors.
Declining our ruler's invitation is not an option. Go to the palace.
No, sir, for the fifth time, you are not on the list. There must be a mistake.
So much for keeping a low profile. Val will kill me.
We're on the list, unlike
This one.
An onyx, symbol of the city of Gomorrah.
Gotta catch my breath.
Come forward. Meet Merchant Prince Damascus of Stormfall, keeper of the sea jewel, the city, and all its people.
On behalf of the people of Stormfall, I thank you and hereby name you the champion of the city.
Sir.
My lord.
My lord, I'm glad I could help, but I would really like to avoid the champion thing and go back to my daily routine.
Your humility honors you, champion. But smile and rejoice with us. Your bravery saved many lives. You made this a day of victory.
Look, they aren't even saved. The spheres were not attacking. They were fleeing the phenomenon from the deep.
Enough! Leave us!
Milord?
Now!
Yes, milord.
You saw the apparitions, didn't you?
There's more and more of them. You have to warn your people.
Not a chance.
You can't keep your men in the dark. They aren't prepared for this.
I am doing what's best for the city. Mass panic won't do anyone any good. I have allies studying this phenomenon. They will bring me answers. Then we shall act with what little forces we have left. Until then, keep this to yourself if you really want to help the city.
No more delay. Damascus is playing a dangerous game.
Stay in line if you want food. Just my luck.
I'm telling you, Merchant Prince Damascus is done. The noble house will never forgive this mess.
Greetings, dear customer.
What?
I'm sorry. They...
And Alistair.
Oh, there's no need.
You should go now. Where's Valeria?
Oh, you'll see her.
Where is...
Oh, you're smarter than you look.
Handle me. You do...
So be it. Now, take him down! I'm done toying with you.
Good.
Let's finish
Not good
this.
At all. Why send an Alistair from me? Something must have happened to Val. She can't be behind this. I must get through the purifiers and meet with Hemlock. Only he can set things straight. The purifiers went through Wildling's territory to attack the Brotherhood of Dawn. This is where I'll find them. I need a breather. To the coast. I'm coming, Val. My endurance is waning. Endurance is waning. There's more and more of them every time. It's getting out of hand. Damascus will regret not...
I don't hear him. He was behind us. Where did he...
Would you bloody shut up and listen? Go check.
Why me?
Just go! Oh no.
Coward.
Edric!
Sister! Just the one I was looking for. I missed you, sister. I'm glad you survived that mess down there.
So am I. You've seen Val? Edric, have you seen her?
Yes.
Did she talk to you?
She did. She pleaded your case to me and Malis. Your strange condition, the surges of witchcraft, everything. We wanted to bring this to Father, but Malis had lost her mind after seeing you transform. Sending an Alistair to get you back, Valeria stood in her way.
She's all right.
Just detained for now. But Malis might want to make an example of her. She's kept with our prisoners of the Brotherhood of Dawn. Come now. We have to meet Father. Only he can keep Malis in check and make things right. This demon we crossed is crushing these lands.
I doubt the demon alone is behind this. As powerful as they are, this amount of power is unprecedented.
He's not alone. We found out that a whole cult is with him. The cult of the Sleeper, they call themselves. We don't know what they want, though. Another earthquake! Get ready.
I take it we won the battle against the Brotherhood of Dawn.
We did. Their camp is burning as we speak.
Did they fight well?
Not well enough. Taking the flank left them no chance to rally and push us back.
Where's our camp?
Nearby. We're packing up and ready to leave. Stormfall wouldn't be too happy if they found a Republican army near their borders.
Oh, trust me. Stormfall has much worse to worry about with tormented souls roaming the countryside.
Remember the Battle of High Peak?
You mean the slaughter of High Peak?
Aye. We were down to the three of us with Val. Outnumbered 10-1 with no escape route. The final stand of the Children of Hemlock.
It was a close one, yes. Why the nostalgia?
That night, the three of us swore to always keep each other's back. No matter the odds.
No matter the odds.
Yeah. I meant every word. The remains of the Brotherhood of Dawn's camp is north of us.
Curse!
That's not happening. I know that smell. We're burning the bodies.
No choice. You've seen the necromancy as much as we did. We're not letting this cult have a pile of bodies to fuel its ranks.
We should fight them while we're here. Stormfall is filled with future cadavers.
You know as well as I do that Stormfall refused a Republican protectorate more times than I can think of. If they want to fight alone, let them die alone.
They're not simpletons. Their sovereignty would die with Republican troops keeping their lands for them.
Everything has a cost. Now is the time for them to earn their sovereignty or die trying. The Purifiers are going home. We are going home, sister.
That one still lives.
Finish him.
No,
Your judgment awaits, sister. No more delays. Let's go. We made camp on the other side of this grove.
What if Hemlock doesn't understand? What if he listens to Melis?
His judgment is final. There's no point arguing whether or not he will make the right choice. He saved our lives and gave us purpose. If he believes that you betrayed that purpose, it's his prerogative to end you.
Just like that? You wouldn't bat an eye?
Trust me, I would be devastated. But I would accept it nonetheless, and so should you.
Easy for you to say. It's not your neck that's on the line.
Don't speak like that. There are worse fates than death. And dishonoring the judgment of the man that made you who you are is one of them. His ruling will clarify everything. We just have to go through Melis.
I need a room. I need a breather.